Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup credit card chargeback evidence files securely, full guide step by step clearly. Ensure you have all necessary files ready for your chargeback evidence. Organize your documents, such as receipts and transaction records, into designated folders on your computer. Verify that you have digital copies of all relevant evidence. Use a secure, updated PDF format for documents whenever possible. Compress large files into a zip folder to save space and streamline storage. Verify the integrity of your files to ensure no corruption has occurred during compression. Consider a secure cloud storage service for online backups. Select a reputable provider known for strong encryption and data protection. Upload your organized files to the cloud, ensuring the connection is secure. Enable two-factor authentication on your cloud account for an extra layer of security. For local storage, utilize an external hard drive or USB flash drive. Ensure the external device is encrypted for added security against unauthorized access. Regularly update your backup files to reflect any new evidence or changes. Create a schedule for routine backups to keep your data current. Label each backup clearly with dates and relevant details for easy retrieval. If applicable, consider using secure file sharing tools for collaboration with others. Share only with individuals who require access, and always monitor shared links. After organizing and backing up your files, review the process to ensure everything is complete. Establish a secure filing system for physical documents if necessary. Store physical copies in a locked location to protect them from loss or theft. Stay informed about any updates to data protection regulations that may affect your storage practices. By following these steps, you'll ensure your credit card chargeback evidence files are backed up securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.